Good afternoon student. Today we are going to revise the chapter 1 and 10 onwards. First one, the small section of code that are used to perform a particular task is called subroutines. Which of the following is a unit of code that is often defined within a greater code structure? The answer, function. Which of the following is the Disney synthetic block? What is that? Answer is definition. A variable in a function definition are called parameters. The values which are passed to the function definition are called argument. And sixth one, which of the following are mandatory to write the type annotation in the function definition? The correct answer is parenthesis. Which of the following defines what an object can do? So the correct answer, interface. Next one, eighth one, which of the following carries out the instruction defined in the interface? The correct answer, implementation. The ninth one, the function which will give extract result when same argument are passed are called, the correct answer, pure function. The function which cause side effect to the argument passed are called impure function. The correct answer is impure function. The next is the 10th lesson. First one, which of the following are the key features of the object-oriented programming language? The correct answer, classes and objects. Second one, function defined inside the class, that's called, the name is called methods. Class members are accessed through which operator? What is the operator we are using? Dot. Which of the following method is automatically executed when the object is created? So the correct answer, underscore init underscore open and close bracket. And fifth one, a private class variable is prefixed with, what is the correct answer is underscore. And which of the following method is used to distract? The correct answer is underscore delete underscore. And next, seventh one, which of the following class declaration is correct? The correct answer, class underscore name. And eighth one, which of the following is the output of the following program? They giving the program class student definition underscore insert it underscore self comma name print self dot name. And next is s equal to student and open bracket double quotes in the Tamil. What is the answer? The question they are asking, which of the following is the output of the following program? So the output want to display in the, what is that? The student, what is the subject name? Is a Tamil. So the correct answer is Tamil. And next one, which of the following is the private class variable? So the correct answer is underscore number. So the process of creating an object is called as, what is the correct answer? Installation. What is the installation? I hope you are understood. Revise this all the one verse. Thank you, student.